This is Cala Marina, and down. You can see it on the back of this Bavarian yacht. Cala, which I think just basically means like the golden cove. It's gorgeous yachts. Eh?
Good to see you again, mate. Yeah, good to see you.
Sunseeker. A Sundancer, 54 feet. Medusa from London. Well, this one's for sale. The Pilan. Cala. Little Bear. Should be a Mama Bear boat. Sabre from London. This is amazing. This one's they're trying to fix the extended look at the fish right here. The Noah White. And this is like a jet ski tours. It's 99 euros for half an hour, or 159 euros for an hour. And they're off. See, there it is. Jet ski vice. 99 for 30 minutes. 159 for 1 hour. Jet ski vice. Boat charters. So it's just a stunning location here. And the yard. There you have it.